Have you ever seen a drone so small it could fit in your jacket pocket, but powerful enough to make you feel like you're piloting a Hollywood camera rig? Well, DJI just said, hold my propellers. The long-awaited DJI Mini 5 Pro has finally surfaced through some very juicy leaks, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a statement. The drone world has been buzzing for months, and now we finally have solid details along with high-quality images to drool over. From its redesigned body and pro-level camera, to AI flight modes that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. This little powerhouse is shaping up to redefine what a sub-250-gram drone can do. The first thing you'll notice is the look, because, yes, even drones need to look good for Instagram. The Mini 5 Pro's new design is sharper and more refined compared to its predecessor. It appears slightly more robust, but still light enough to stay under that magic 250-gram limit, which in many countries means you won't need to register it. Every curve and angle has been carefully crafted to improve airflow and stability, while the redesigned front now houses an entirely new gimbal system, giving the drone a bolder, more purposeful face. The camera is the true star of the show, with DJI jumping to a 1-inch image sensor, a huge leap for a drone this small. That larger sensor means better low-light performance, higher detail, richer colors, and more editing flexibility. Whether you're shooting sunsets, sweeping landscapes, or that one friend skateboarding at midnight, the results will be stunning. And the addition of dual LiDAR sensors enhances obstacle detection for safer flights in tricky environments. The hood, the motors now sport a sleek matte finish for more power and efficiency, while quick-release propellers make swapping blades faster and simpler. Flipping the drone over reveals a dedicated power port, so you can recharge from a power bank while on the go. And removable ducted propeller guards make it versatile for both indoor flights and safety-critical situations. DJI also introduces a side-mounted quick launch button that powers up and starts recording without even connecting a controller. It's perfect for those spontaneous moments when you spot a breathtaking view. AI flight modes are where things get futuristic. Active Track 6.0 predicts your subject's movement, even if visual contact is lost. Spotlight mode's adaptive framing automatically adjusts zoom and angles for cinematic shots. And Point of Interest 4.0 now intelligently handles uneven terrain. Safety is next level thanks to full omnidirectional obstacle sensing, terrain recognition for steady altitude along slopes, and an upgraded return-to-home system that factors in wind patterns. For content creators, D-Log-M offers a wider dynamic range for better color grading. 12-bit RAW photos give maximum editing control. 4K at 120 FPS delivers silky slow motion, and dual native ISO keeps low-light footage clean. Battery life reaches up to 47 minutes with the extended battery. Realistically, about 40 to 45 minutes. And the smart charging hub with USB-C PD support means charging is easier than ever. DJI's new O4 transmission offers a 20-kilometer range. And 4K live feed at 60 FPS, and pairing with the RC Pro controller adds a bright screen and smoother control. Market-wise, the Mini 5 Pro is a clear disruptor, delivering professional features in a drone that's travel-friendly and often registration-free. With DJI hinting at future firmware updates to unlock even more capabilities, this drone feels future-proof. So, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro the perfect blend of portability and power? From what we've seen, absolutely, it's no longer just a casual flyer's toy, but a serious creative tool that can live in your backpack and still deliver professional results. If the leaks are accurate, this could be a turning point for ultralight drones. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell so you don't miss future updates. Check out the videos on your screen right now for more drone news and gear reviews. Till next time, fly safe, shoot sharp, and keep chasing those cinematic skies.